In this video, we will see how you can configure AI. To do that, first of all, click on your profile, go to Settings, and then on the left, scroll down. And at the bottom, you'll see AI Configuration. When you click on it, you'll see all the AI configuration options. This is where we can configure AI agent access, global models, and usage limits. At the top, we have AI models. You'll see 3 different models. Gemini is the default one, and we also have GPT and Claude. For comparison and cost analysis, you can simply click on View Comparison, and you will see the Model Comparison Guide. It shows context window, input cost, and output cost for each of the 3 models. You can have a look at this and then pick the one that suits your requirements. Let's say we want to pick Claude. We will simply click on Claude. Now, as you can see, Claude is our active model. Below the AI models, we have the option to use your own API key. First, enable this, and then you can choose the model. Paste API key, validate it, and then activate it from here. Below this, we have access control for AI agents. You can give access to specific users in your organization, or you can make it available to all users. Currently, we can see some specific users are selected here. Let's make it available for all users. We will simply select all users. When you scroll down, you will see usage settings. From here, you can set daily and monthly query limits per user. The first one is the daily query limit per user. Currently, it's set to 100. You can click on this and select any of these options. Let's select 200. Next, we have the monthly query limit per user, which is set to unlimited. We can click on this and select any of these options. Let's select 2000, then simply hit Save Changes. Our changes are saved successfully, and this is how you can configure AI for your organization.